Nestled deep in the lush green forest of Chandragiri in Odisha's Gajapati district lies a hidden natural gem, the mesmerizing khasada Waterfall. Surrounded by verdant hills and dense forest, this place has an ambient, serene atmosphere. In addition to natural beauty, the place holds significant cultural heritage of Odisha tourism. The nearest railway station is Silk City Barampur, located 95 km from this place. The calm atmosphere and the greenery environment attracts a large number of tourists from all over the country. Waterfalls, nature's majestic spectacle, have fascinated humans for millennia. They are more than just a scenic beauty. They symbolize life's relentless flow and dynamism, while also offering insights into geological processes and ecological interdependence. Next to khasada Waterfall, another tourist attraction, Chandragiri Buddhist Monastery, located at a distance of 80 km away from Palakhemunti and 45 km from R. Udayagiri. It is one of the beautiful places and India's one of the most famous Buddhist temples. In 2010, it was inaugurated by His Highness Dalai Lama. It is located in the Eastern Ghat region of Odisha. Many people come to visit this place to see the Tibetan culture. main natural attraction of Gajapati district is Mankadadian Waterfall. Situated close to our Udaygiri, 13 kilometers away from Jiranga, it is surrounded by hills and lush green forest. The natural stream, dense and thick forest, and high mountains attract thousands of visitors. The environment of this place is very beautiful, and especially in winter, it looks very amazing.